2023 Dodge Charger. With less than 9,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as cross-traffic alert, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.